Hey guys, 12 malaria pills in, 21 mosquito bites down and counting because I keep discovering new ones apparently. I'm back from the Amazon rainforest and I am going to be showing you everything that I did for the past week. Let's go.
Legit camera.
So bread haul?
So today we got the matcha.
Wow.
We got the taro.
That's so pretty.
But wait.
There's more.
We got the strawberry.
Wow.
And then, oh, I feel one more. And then we got the garlic.
Yeah, we're rich. We're actually rich.
I'm excited to get a shawl in the market.
I'm excited to try the coffee and chocolate.
I'm excited to step outside and connect with the land.
And so 10 unassuming, innocent students who have never touched grass started their journey not knowing what to expect. Giant human-eating bullet ants, spiders that crawl into ears at night. Let's see what they get up to first. Whee! Yeah! First outing!
Pat in the back of your pocket.
Literally. How is it, babe? We have chicken, fish.
Okay, so the fish is covered in or has the hearts of palm sauce.
This week, the 10 are staying at Siendo, Naturaleza, a learning center in the Peruvian Amazon specializing in regenerative ecological design. In just 5 years, Elian, George, and the team transformed deforested land into the vibrant, fruitful jungle that we see here. Everything from the open-air showers to the structures themselves were built by hand with regeneration at the forefront and keeping waste to a minimum. All plastic is packed into bottles that are used as wall filler. The 10 had one main mission, to create a business plan for turmeric or curcuma. Turmeric naturally regenerates the soil by opening up and loosening it with its roots, allowing for nutrient flow. It's also a superfood that's anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and immune boosting, so throw in some the next time you make a juice or smoothie. After all, your body's a temple, right?
But it's halfway through the
They learned how to plant turmeric and use it as paint, incorporate it into jams, teas, and more.
Yeah, alcohol. Was that tender?
With like,
Oh yeah.
cuttlefish. Yeah, that was.
I'm not the best artist, but I drew a jelly cat turmeric.
A cat
A
turmeric?
jelly cat turmeric.
Oh my god.
And then I put a bunch of questions that I had, the things that I thought they would I'd love to
Love.
help make just like turmeric into something that's like profitable, something that's impactful. So yeah.
Like, explain why you drew invasive.
Why the amount of
I drew the invasive species because it was a really big part of what we did today, like cutting it down. The bottom is like the soil, so like we want to cut it down, like, you know, harvest it, add farm turmeric. So yeah, and then this is the background of the forest.
Oh, lovely. Explain. What are the people?
The people is like the community here. Everybody's different and everybody has like their own niche. This is all the fruits that we encountered today. We have like bananas, papayas, and the berries. I don't think they're edible, but they're berries. And then the water, how we use the water is interesting, how it like has a big interaction with the land, especially with the invasive plants, but also how we wash our hands in showers. The bugs, is like the leaf bugs. That we
Oh, the leaf cutter. Yeah.
Yes.
the bunch of turmeric that we picked up from the land. So yeah. Woo! We got 20 for the whole gang. Holy, we got some bread.
That was so good.
Literally. Fit check. Fit check.
So much trust.
Oh, oh my god.
I think you just have to hear your
It's a video, John.
Oh, it's a god, dude. I think we're just
Sorry. I think it's a flash parent. Let me turn the flash off. I'm sorry.
When they weren't using business to build a better world, they were off to the jungle, exploring primary forests untouched by humans, risking their life to stomp through quicksand, and battling fierce monkeys and wild boars with their bare hands. Just kidding, they literally scream upon a counter with a singular stingless beak. All good things must come to an end, and before they knew it, the week was over. Their professor said, "I saw a leaf floating down the river and disappearing with the current, and it felt like a metaphor for being a professor. I only get to experience each of you for a fleeting moment before you graduate and float on down the river of your life. For the vast majority, I will probably never see you again. But our brief time together was beautiful." Holy smokes, cue the tears.
It's a video.
Anyway, thanks for watching, y'all.
Careful.
We had so much fun. Maybe we'll move to the jungle one day. Peace. Okay, flash forward a few weeks. We did our Dyson Impact competition pitch, and we ended up winning $10,000 for our client, Siendo, Naturaleza, which we are so overjoyed about. I think that everyone did an amazing job. Go team. I'm very proud of us and everything that we did. Peace.